Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy new year 2025. I thought I'd come on and actually say hello to you at the beginning of this video. It's a brand new year, a whole new year of crafting, starting afresh. I have a beautiful clean new craft room because boy oh boy, I slogged out for a couple of hours cleaning up after the Christmas mess and the absolute chaos, and I have got something so exciting to bring you in today's video. This video is not going to be a crafty video per se, but it is going to be a video showing you everything that I have just bought. I don't actually think you guys are going to cope. I hope you're as excited as I am. So shout out to CWV Artistry. I'll link their channel below. So they messaged me a while ago and said, Claire, you need to check out UV DTF stickers. They are really designed for like their cup wraps. So you've got your drink cup, you wrap it with a gorgeous design, or a tumbler, or you're creating, you know, I mean, they could be used for anything, to be honest, but they are really predominantly classed as cup wraps. And I said, okay, yeah, I will. Well, that was me done. I went down a huge rabbit hole of UV DTF stickers. Can't even, my heart is bursting with how stunning some of these are. So basically, with the support of my patrons over on my Patreon page, I bought a whole heap of not just UV DTF stickers, but temporary tattoos and vinyl stickers in general. I'm going to be starting the year off very much with a positive mindset, positive affirmations, being kind to ourselves, to forgive ourselves and to allow ourselves time to grow, and also just allow ourselves the freedom to create without judgment and create without the fear of somebody else then saying, you did that wrong, therefore I'm going to attack you on it. That is the main message for 2025. I was just about to say 2024. Oh my gosh, that's the main message for 2025. So some of these incredible vinyl stickers that I've purchased with the support of my patrons, of course, are very much going down the route of positive thoughts, mental health, being strong, feeling like we're good enough, feeling like, you know, if we just concentrate on what we're passionate about, then we will be happy in ourselves. And yeah, that's the main message. Everything I purchased from Amazon, it fits into all different categories. We've got that positive affirmations, that manifesting, you know, all of the positive energy. We've also got like Valentines, we've got Christmas, we've got autumn, winter, we've got lots of different themes and schemes. So there's a lot to unpick here and a lot to get your teeth into, predominantly maybe for, I mean, it's pretty much everything you could use these for, but predominantly trays, pendants. I mean, I won't list it off because it's everything. You could pretty much use these for everything. Shout out to CWV Artistry and huge thank you to my patrons for your continued support. Let's get into the video because I've already started creating with these. The videos will start Monday, so the creative videos will start on Monday. I'm sorry that today's not a creative video, but I have to get this video out so that you can see what I'm going to be working on for the next couple of months. And if you want to get your hands on anything, I'm going to link it all below. And Happy New Year. Yeah, Happy New Year. There's a lot happening this year. It's an exciting one. Okay, shut up, Claire, because you're using your hands and you're talking. And that's going to drive some people crazy. I can imagine it now. Okay, we are starting off this haul with Valentines. These are absolutely perfect for Valentine's resin. They could probably work on Jesmonite, but I do believe that some of these stickers do not work on the water-based ecos. Let me know if you've tried them. We've got these stunning UV DTF stickers. Again, these could be used for the oval trays. I'm thinking, you know, the oval trays that pretty much every one of us have, they would work beautifully for that. These come in a whole pack. The designs are stunning. I think it was the imagery that made me fall head over heels in love with these. We've got this one here, which is more like a summer garden with your iced drinks and your straws and your ice cream. Next up, we've got this coffee one, which actually could be split down the middle and be used for 2 separate coasters with that coffee in the middle. But then the one on the left and the one on the right would be perfect in 2 separate things, whether that's the center of a tray or the center of a clock for your kitchen. This one is one of my favorites, a bunch of milkshakes. Then we've got our cappuccinos, frappuccinos, and all of that jazz. And this one, the summer croissants, the summer berries. Again, this is all part of exactly the same pack. These all come as one. This one here I love. It's got that beautiful spring blossom across the top as well. And again, a set of 2, which would be perfect for your round coasters or the center of a smaller tray or a trivet or however you wish to use them. Finally, we've got some cup clusters. Now, again, this is all part of the same pack and will be linked below, but oh my goodness me, the colours. Next up, these are perfect for autumn, fall. Very, it was kind of like Britain woodland meets Canadian Rockies. So we've got your squirrels, you've got the red squirrels, beautiful fox with some gorgeous trees, another squirrel, pine cones. Squirrels are the bane of my life if you guys have not watched my home channel. They're killing me right now, but beautiful imagery. Next up, we've got the little kind of like owl and a hedgehog, and then we jump straight over to Canada with the bear. So yeah, it could work for everything. And I think this is a raccoon. I'm not sure, we do not have this animal here, so let me know, is that a raccoon or a possum? I need to Google. Next up, guys, oh my goodness me, I have never in the history of Claire's Crafty Corner gone down the magical fairy route, but these caught my eye and I have to say they are simply stunning. Again, these are all most likely AI generated images for the UV DTF stickers, but look at this. How stunning are these? Again, you could use these for anything. You could cut sections out, create pendants, create bookmarks with sections that don't necessarily have a whole image in it. This one here I love, the book stacks with the black silhouette fairies in the center, lots of flowers, lots of butterflies. Again, some of those are separated images, so you could use them in pendants, earrings, you name it, you could use it. Stunning, this one, absolutely stunning, with a tree swing and a fairy. And this one, guys, I just think they are adorably beautiful. Is anyone else here getting Victoria Plum vibes? That is what I'm getting from these. This one here I adore, with the little girl and the fox. I'm not in love with the piano section, but hey, it's just one section. But yeah, this one here is giving all of the Victoria Plum vibes. Anyone else remember Victoria Plum? Stunning images, but this one is my favorite. Look at this, the botanical. It's a forest fairy surrounded by toadstool mushrooms and those ferns. And again, this one here, I think I'd split into 2 because we've got the gorgeous little girl on the right hand side and then the castle on the left. This one is very magical. I want to say magical, very Disney. We've got those stunning images of the horses with the fairy in the middle and those beautiful wings, absolutely beautiful. And again, outside my comfort zone. This is not something I would ever do on my channel, but stunning. Okay, New Year's resolution 2025. I've mentioned it on my socials, on my Instagram. Read Dimensions, guys. Read Dimensions, because this one got me big time. I ordered some jar stickers, right? The stickers are the jars. So, of course, I've gone down this huge rabbit hole. They're all labelled cup stickers, jar stickers. So I saw these and I was like, oh my goodness me, they are stunning. I'm going to use them next Christmas for coasters, for large trays. No, the stickers are the jars. So they're not stickers for jars. The stickers are the jars. They are so tiny. I had to laugh or I'd cry, I swear. And it's a huge pack. There are so many in here, and yeah, what can you do apart from laugh? They're so beautiful. I'm not going to send them back, but read Dimensions, okay? I'm not one for making New Year's resolutions, but setting New Year goals, and that's a goal of mine. Read Dimensions. We are back on the Valentine's Day resin. Again, these could be used for Jesmonite. I know that the vinyl stickers I've been using recently work on Jesmonite. Someone messaged me and said they're not working on Eco. They simply peel straight off. I love this one here with the gonks, with the gnomes spelling out the word love. Could be used on a tray quite easily. And then you've got a lot of separate images in these ones, which could be used separately again for bookmarks, for your pendants, for your fridge magnets. Anything that you want to create, they could work for. I'm not such a fan of this one here, the animation cartoony vibe, not really me at all. But again, you're not going to necessarily love 100% of absolutely everything in the set. Love this one because who does not love a cupcake? These are my favourites. These are like wallpaper, repetitive pattern wallpaper designs. Would look gorgeous in a tray or anything else you want to create. And these don't have to be stuck to resin, of course. If you are any other medium artist, if you're a scrapbooker or a paper artist, these could work as well for you guys. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. There was a lot of stickers in this one kit. And I am so sorry if you can hear George barking. He just goes off on one when I'm doing a voiceover, but there is a van outside and hopefully he'll move away now. Okay, next up, temporary tattoos. Now, you guys know about 4 or 5 years ago on my channel, I started this whole series of using temporary tattoos in resin. It was really popular at the time. It was years ago, but these I just thought for St. Patrick's Day would be absolutely perfect for pendants and smaller items. Next up, we're going neon. When I typed in vinyl waterproof stickers, these came up and I was like, oh my goodness me, these are fun. These are fun and funky. I'm not going to go through each and every sticker with you. I've simply laid them out on my desk. This was one of the packs. This was a 2-pack and this was one of the packs. There are so many stickers here. Now, these stickers are predominantly designed for your laptop or your drinks cup, your Stanley cup, anything that you've got there, just stick a sticker on it, make it fun, make it funky. But of course these are vinyl and waterproof, so therefore they will work in resin as well. We've got lots of cool neon signage, we've got lots of phrases as well. This was a 2-pack, like I said, so this is the other pack. I'm not going to lay them all out for you again because, oh my goodness me, there's so much here, there's so much to look at, so much to unpack, and I don't want to send you to sleep if I've not sent you to sleep already. But yeah, we've got some good energy flowing through these stickers. I just think they're so bright, and basically these are stickers that are going to put a smile on your face. Next up, this is where we start on the positive affirmations and self-belief. This is the neon pack. I bought 2 separate packs. I've got a neon pack and a non-neon pack. This is gorgeous. Honestly, they are all so color coordinated. When I laid them out, I thought, wow, the color scheme. They all work together. You could, if you wanted to, just lay a load of these down in one single tray and make yourself a positive affirmation tray. Self-belief, self-worth. A few of my favorites are here. Take time for yourself. You have nothing to lose. You have to believe. I love the fact that next door it says, yes, I do. But there is a lot here to give you some positive feelings about your work, about your creativity, about your daily life. These ones here very much went down the mindfulness, the mental health side of things, letting you know that you are enough, that you are good, that you're a good person and that your energy is still good and you can do whatever it is that you set your mind to. I love these. They're all very different. 99.9% of these were very much in that, you can do hard things. Stay positive, be positive, be kind to yourself vibe. And then there were 3 stickers that said Happy Mother's Day. So I don't know if they kind of like accidentally got put into the wrong pack when the creator of these were kind of like, divvying them out. But I love all of these. This is what I'm going to start my year with. My very first video is going to be looking at these stickers and using these in resin to see what we can come up with and what we can create. This one here, this is it, guys. You are never too old to learn. And that is the main message here. If you want to set your channel up, you go for it. I started my YouTube channel at 40 as a hobby, something to keep my mind occupied. And here I am 7 years later, It's my full-time job and I am loving it. We are going back to St. Patrick's Day. They are actually classed as rub-on transfers for furniture, but I can't see me transferring Shamrocks all over my sideboard in my living room. So I don't know. I would definitely say these are perfect for resin. They are vinyl, they are waterproof. They will therefore work with resin. And these three gorgeous dudes here in a coaster or a tray or a large round tray, absolutely perfect. Again, lots of smaller pieces as well. This is probably one of my favourites. We are back on the UV DTF stickers. These are cup wraps or tumbler wraps. Stunning, absolutely stunning, nature inspired themed pieces. Lots of beautiful, beautiful autumn stroke wintry scenes. And I just think in a tray, you know, you could create a completely different background. You could do any kind of background with these, whether it's, I wouldn't necessarily go down the glitter route unless it was like brown glitter or really earthy tones. These trees, these rainbow trees were quite repetitive, but then they've all got different bottoms. So one has just got like plants and leaves and shrubs, and then the other one comes at the end. It's got like a snowy bottom. But these like conifers, love, love, love. And then I think that's maybe an oak tree on the left. This one here with a reflection in the water. They're all just so beautiful. And for one pack of these stickers, you could easily create 5, 6, 7 pieces. And if you sell your items, you'd make your money back in a heartbeat for the price it costs to buy the stickers. Now, I will link all of these down below on Amazon. Will you be able to get these from the likes of AliExpress, Temu, Shein? I have no doubt about it, but if you want them next day like I did, I did get mine from Amazon. Again, thank you so much to CWV Artistry for putting me on these. Thank you so much to my patrons for your continued support. I massively appreciate you. And yeah, I will see you all in the very first creative video of 2025, which will be on Monday. And thank you all so much for such an incredible 2024. You've all supported me beyond, above and beyond, to infinity and beyond. I love you all. I appreciate you. I'll see you Monday.